Hello, Sonia Sanchez here. Welcome to The Sonia Show. Let me start tonight by asking you, viewers, a question. Is Lupe Flores funding the brigades? Or vice versa? There's no evidence to suggest that, yet. But I'll keep looking. Yesterday, I had the honor to interview our Minister of Oil during the opening ceremony for a new pump. I'll show you that interview tomorrow. So tune in as our minister reveals the secrets to our flourishing economy. Now let's take a moment to look at the latest candidate polls. Looks like Tyrak is still the preferred candidate. Surprisingly, it does appear Flores has some supporters, probably members of the brigades. As you know, The Sonia Show is very concerned about our youth who continue to mysteriously disappear. Let's view today's Missing Teen Report. Remember, if you have any information, please call the Sonia hotline. And that has been The Sonia Show.
No good! Flippin' tire. Just some car trouble, kid. What are you doing out here? You changing the subject on me? Well, if you got any advice, I guess it wouldn't hurt to hear it. Then have at it, kid. What are you? A tire whisperer? Hey, don't stop there. The pump's behind you. You know, you remind me of my son. He's always fixing things. Always breaking things, too. Here. Thanks a lot, kid. Gotta say, I'm impressed. Just my luck. Come on, follow me. Yes? I'm everywhere these days. including Road 96. I'm working a case that requires it. You can, but I can't tell you. It's been a bad summer, really. Sorry. I just have a lot on my mind. With you? That's all right. No offense. Yeah, maybe you're right. It's just that my son, my adopted son, ran away. Yeah. Me too, Peach Fuzz. I knew something that he didn't. A secret. And when I told him, he got upset. I told him who his biological parents were. Or as much as I know about them anyway. Dangerous people, kid. Very dangerous. They were members of the Black Brigades. The terrorist group responsible for the attack at the wall. You know about the attack in '86, right? That's the day I met my son. Yeah, I was working security, hired to protect Tyrak at the wall's opening ceremony. Everything was going fine until it wasn't. I barely saw the truck before it crashed into the mountain. Just a flash. Next thing I knew, rocks were falling on the crowd. It was awful. You have no idea. The screams. Everything was just so terrible. At some point, I looked down and there was my son, silent, covered in dust, looking up at me. Maybe I shouldn't have, but I picked him up and brought him home with me. I just had to make sure he was going to be safe. I had to. I looked in the papers for months after, searched the missing children reports every day. There was nothing. It's not unusual for brigades to cut ties with family. I do. What other explanation is there? I guess I deserve all this. I kept the truth from my baby. Thanks, Peach Fuzz. I appreciate you saying that. I do.
Central to Unit 2, do you copy? Over.
I should get that. Look, kid. I don't know what you're up to out here. Just promise me something. Turn around and go home, okay? Your parents miss you.
Chuck's isn't open right now. Renovation. Music? No, you don't. You and that skinny guy. Go on, but make it quick.
I win! Hand over those bills, Robert.
Well, I'm out. Anyone else want a shot at this guy?
Aha, not me. Papa Bear's meer dan erg occupied with Satan.
Weaklings, all of you. But what about you, kid? We've got ourselves a contender.
First to 3 points wins. Let's do this.
Are you, kid?
Let's see what you got, young wolf. You're not on the Olympic squad, are you?
You're making my day, kid.
Then I become the wall.
I knew it! The kid's a winner!
I don't like it. Don't like it one bit. But you beat me, young bud. Fair and square.
Drinks all round. I'm paying.
Sure you're not on the Olympic squad?
Haha! John was an excellent goalkeeper in his younger years, but came up short of making the national team. Guess it still bothers him.
There are a lot of things that bother me, Robert.
Oh, you're not. It's just that John's still living in the past. Chuck, serve this boy a martyr.
Here we go.
You sure about that, Robert?
Our friend here is practically an adult, aren't you?
Don't got the dough, don't got the choice. It's safe, most of the time. Just don't do it often. Sure can feel that way.
Me? No. My name is Robert, kid. Nice to meet you. You know, I do believe there's a reason you're here today.
Maybe you should push on, young bud. It's getting late.
Whoa, young bud. You okay? You look a little funny.
Damn, Chuck. What did you put in that drink?
The murder? Everything.
Kid, wake up. Wake up. You're in Chuck's basement, kid. John and myself carried you down here. Come on, I want to show you something. Something big. Welcome to the Brigade's secret hideout. John and I were at the border in '86. The Brigades have been around for many years. The transmitter is one of our biggest achievements. The police are looking for it, but they'll never get their hands on it. Yeah, this.
What's the kid doing here, Robert?
The kid's political. Besides, aren't we on the lookout for fresh blood? It is. You know, you could become a brigade if you wanted to. Nothing's stopping you. I'll start the meeting. Look, it's now or never to elevate our game. I have a plan to rig a Tyrak billboard. We'll attract cops to it by broadcasting a fake signal. When they arrive, boom, we trigger the device. This isn't a huge move, but it's a good start and will send a strong message. Do I have any volunteers? That's great, kid, but I think we'll go with hardened brigades here.
I'll do it, Robert.
This isn't who we are.
They're sending teens to the work camp, John. Protests aren't cutting it. And Flores sure as hell won't cut it either.
Robert's right. We need to attack. Now.
Alex, our little genius, will help us rig the device. If all goes well, he can build us something bigger and badder for Election Day.
The kid's out, Robert. He doesn't want to be involved in this.
We don't need Alex. We can find somebody else to do this.
I'm telling you all, violence will do more harm than good.
Funny, don't you think, kid? Funny because John and his girlfriend were the ones who drove the truck to kill Tyrak in '86.
I've changed, Robert.
Yes, you have. Look, we should vote and settle this right now. Who thinks the brigades need to be more aggressive?
I don't.
I do.
I do.
I refrain.
I don't.
I don't.
I do.
Free against free.
Let's ask the kid. He's here after all.
That's why you brought him in, to vote on your side. Incredible.
Kid, what do you think?
You blew it, kid. I thought you had the makings of a real brigade.
Guys, picked it up on the scanner. The police on their way.
We all know what we need to do. Get in our cars and leave calmly. Kid, no need to worry. They'll never suspect you.
Hey kid, wanna play? We can put down some money if you want. Let's play. You win fair and square. Here's your money. Another game?
What can I do for you, kid?
Nothing to see here, kid.
All of our taxis are currently busy. Please call again another day.
Get in, Mitch!
With pleasure.
You, drive! Don't look at us!
Just do what we say, and you won't get hurt.
Shut up and step on the gas! Our moto not starting outside the laundromat after we rob it. Humiliating.
You think I don't know that, Stan? It's your fault, you know.
My fault? Oh, that's rich, Mitch. Mitch, maybe you should find another robbing partner.
Well, maybe I should. Like this kid.
Fine, take the kid. He's clearly a criminal anyway. Hold on. Before we end the best robbing duo ever, let's take a deep breath.
Yeah, we shouldn't rush into this. This is big. I know. Let's put the radio on. It'll help us forget about the laundromat.
Good idea.
A laundromat robbery happened about an hour ago.
Ah, jeez.
Witnesses say the two robbers, both dressed like they were into S&M role-playing, argued the entire time. Though the suspect only made off with $72 in quarters, they are said to be armed and very dangerous. If you see them, please call the police immediately.
We're laughing stocks.
And Sonia reporting it, no less. Oh, jeez.
Well, I guess that's it. Stan and Mitch are breaking up. Go on and partner up with the kid.
Yeah, I guess that's it. Wow.
Only one thing left to do. To be sure this is the right move, and I'll give the kid Mitch's ultimate bank robbing quiz.
Yeah. Well, you don't have a choice. Sorry.
Here's how it works. Get enough questions right, you and Mitch become robbing partners. But don't, then Mitch and I have to... I don't want to spell it out.
Question number 1. Of the following, what is the best location to rob? The clock is, ticking. Yeah, that's the right answer.
Though jealous, I will admit I am very impressed.
Question number 2. When is the best time to rob? Wrong. That's when the Sonia show is on.
That's strike 1.
Question 3. What is the best getaway vehicle? Nope, because it's kinda... well...
expected.
Yeah, expected.
Strike 2. This is your last chance.
Question 4. The final question. What is the best thing to do with your money at your hideout? Nope. Because when you change hideouts, you might forget about it.
You lost, kid.
Can you hear me?
What's that noise?
It's a bug messing with the connection. But don't worry, prepubescent Einstein here is gonna fix it. You hear me now? Help me a sec, homie? I got a bug I need to fix. Mr. Ursus isn't hearing me well. If I leave the booth, he'll hang up, I know it.
Who are you talking to?
Don't sweat it, Mr. Yu. It's just a hitchhiker. Take this computer. I put a metal detector on it. Check the ground near the pole over there. Should be some hidden keys to open the box and reboot the line. Petriacom hides their keys like a dog hides a bone. It shouldn't be long now. Talk. Nice, fine, dog. Thanks, dog. You hear me now?
I do, yeah.
So, as I was gonna say, the fake emitters are all in place. Should keep those pigs busy for a while.
Thanks, Alex.
I put up some fake radio emitters to help the brigades. They got an illegal radio broadcast. The fake emitters throw the cops off.
I got it wrong, Alex.
Wait, my parents!
Sorry, kid. Now's not the time. We'll talk soon, okay? Promise.
Don't hang up! Home slice, press the button again. Hello? Too late. He's gone. I'm fine. Just a little frustrated. I'm looking for info on my bio parents. They died when I was young, in the attack in '86. But I haven't come up with much. Thanks. My adoptive mom, said I might not find out anything, but I didn't believe her. She's at home, or on the road doing her job. Come on, let's wait out the rain in the booth. I don't know. Yeah, I guess you're right.
Precinct 22, Officer Fanny.
Hello?
Alex? Is that you?
Yeah, it's me.
Is everything okay?
What do I say? Everything's fine. I just wanted to check in.
Are you getting enough to eat? You are, right? And you can come back whenever you want. You know that.
Yeah, I'm getting enough to eat. Thanks.
I hope you find what you're looking for. I miss you, Alex.
And how are you?
Oh, hanging in there. You know me.
Look, I should go.
Oh, already?
I'll call again soon. I promise.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye, baby.
Come on. It's cramped in here. I feel better now. Thanks for encouraging me to call.
Depends on your fiscals. But word is, there's a psycho cabbie dude out there.
Maybe he'd get you across, but dead and stuffed in the trunk.
Sorry. Homie went a little dark there.
I still have a few things to clean up around here. By the way, there's a cereal bar in my bag if you want. You look hungry. Oh, and I can call you a taxi, too. I hacked into Happy Taxi, because I can, and got some free ride vouchers. It's as good as done. And good luck on your journey, man. Hope you reach 96.
Snacks and drinks? Can I help you at all?
I wanted to cross, but I don't have enough money for a coyote. Maybe I'll just go home soon anyway.
Yeah, a little further. Stop!
What's that you got there?
It's a movement detector.
Oh, you don't need that. I'm not hiding it.
Then you've got nothing to worry about. Picking up something inside. Probably just a false alarm. Now pull up to the next checkpoint.
Yeah. Good day to you, too. What's the dog for? We run an obedience school. What do you think it's for? Go on, girl. Go on. What is it, girl? It's all clear. Nothing but boxes. Maybe one of my boxes spooked the dog.
Yeah, maybe. Pull up to the last checkpoint.
Fine.
Impossible to beat.
A little excessive, isn't it?
Triple check system. New policy from the big man. Starting the scanner now. Someone's under the truck! Grab him!
You've been arrested. No one said it would be easy to reach the border, let alone cross it. But for one journey that ends, others are only beginning.